Hello friends, welcome back to E-SHIKSHA. Today our topic is picture reading questions in Java on OOP principles. OOP allows objects to interact with each other using four basic principles. They are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. These four OOP principles enable objects to communicate and collaborate to create powerful applications. Encapsulation in Java refers to integrate data and methods into a single unit. Data are also called variables and methods are called code. In encapsulation, a class's variables are hidden from other classes and can only be accessed by the methods of the class in which they are found. Let us see some picture representation of encapsulation. Okay, now in this picture, it demonstrates encapsulation in Java. This is a car class, has two fields or variables called name and top speed. Both are declared as private, meaning they cannot be accessed directly outside the class. The getter, setter, getName, setName, set top speed, etc. are declared public. These methods are exposed to outsiders and can be used to change and retrieve data from the car object. We have one method to set the top speed of the vehicle and two greater methods to retrieve the max value either in MPH or KMH. This is what encapsulation does. It hides the implementation and gives us the values we want. So this is another representation of encapsulation. Just have a look. So this is another object. Okay, now we come down to inheritance. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires the properties and behavior of a parent object or class. This is the parent class. These are child classes or subclasses. So this is the vehicle class. Under it comes car, bike, scooter, and so on. So this picture actually is about inheritance. This is another example. So this is picture. This is a picture. These are the parents and this is the child. The child inherits certain properties like height, complexion, eyes, etc. from the parent class. This is another example of inheritance. This is shape class. Under it comes rectangle, triangle, ellipse, and under ellipse you may have circle, sphere, and so on, right? This is another example of inheritance. Okay, now this is actually a parent class which can be called as a superclass also, or a parent superclass we call it, and this is called a child class or a subclass. This is also called base class and this is a derived class. Okay, so these are all derived classes and this is the base class. Now this is another example. These are all animals. Under it comes amphibians, reptiles, mammals, birds. So this is a superclass animal and child classes are all this. Now this is a representation of inheritance only. Doctor. Under doctor you have what? Surgeon. If a person is a surgeon, he has to be a doctor. So this is related. So this is also an example of inheritance. Unless you be a doctor, you cannot be a surgeon, right? This is another example. This is flower class. Under it comes lotus, sunflower, and rose. Now let us see what is abstraction. Abstraction in Java is the process in which We only show essential details to the user. The non-essential implementation details are not displayed to the user. So these are the two examples of abstraction. This is ATM from where a person is withdrawing money. Now how the money is coming out from this machine, this person doesn't know. But he wants money, he gets it, that's all. Showing the essential features, hiding the complexities, right? Here you see the person is driving a car, but how the car is working, what are the internal parts, how it is working, he's not bothered about it. He's just driving the car. This is how you represent the essential features and hide the complexities. So this is here some examples of abstraction. You operate different machines, you just press the button and the work is done, okay, and you don't know about the background details. Polymorphism is an ability of an object, variable and function to take on multiple forms. Okay, so these are all animals. They all speak, but they make different sound. This is a person. Now he is a family man out here. So in different situation, he behaves differently. Here he is a customer. Here he is a client, right? So this is how polymorphism is represented through picture in Java. Money in different form or currency in different form, rupees, yen, dollar. We all do transaction, that is the work that we do with money, but in different forms, right? So this is how you represent polymorphism in Java. Hope you have understood the 4 principles through pictures. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning from E-SHIKSHA. Thank you.